Today we're diving into 4 powerhouse smartphones, the entire TECNO Camon 40 series lineup. From the base model to the premium Premier 5G, these devices pack serious AI and imaging capabilities. Let's break down what makes them special. First, the unboxing experience. Every model includes a protective case, USB-C cable, and fast charger, 45W for most models, while the Premier jumps to 70W. Attention to detail like this shows TECNO's commitment to user experience right out of the box. Design-wise, you'll notice 3 models share a triple-ring camera layout while the Premier stands out with its bold circular module. But the real magic lies in that programmable side button. Double press it from any screen to instantly launch the camera, then press again to snap ultra-fast shots. Perfect for capturing spontaneous moments. The secret sauce? Flash snap mode combined with best moment AI. This tech doesn't just freeze action, it intelligently selects optimal frames from burst shots. Imagine playing sports while your phone automatically captures your best moves. The system even stitches multiple exposures together for cleaner, brighter images. Camera specs impress across the board. All models feature 50MP Sony sensors, with the Premier getting an enhanced version. The Pro 5G variant actually topped DxOMark's sub-$600 category, earning their 2025 Smart Choice Award. That's serious recognition for mobile photography. Now let's talk AI, and there's a lot to cover. These phones feature MediaTek's ultimate processors, with the Premier's 8350 chip delivering 330% better AI performance. Swipe left on your home screen to access a dedicated AI hub packed with tools. The 360 degrees calling assistant alone offers noise cancellation, real-time translation, and call summarization. It's like having a personal secretary in your pocket. Creative tools shine too. AI Studio lets you magically erase objects, expand images beyond their borders, or even insert yourself into professional-looking portraits using just 4 reference photos. The AI eraser works shockingly well. Circle any unwanted element and watch it disappear like magic. Meet your new productivity partner, Ella AI. Long press that side button to activate this digital assistant. It solves complex math problems with step-by-step explanations, summarizes articles, and even helps compose messages. Need to expand a photo? Just tell Ella, no menu diving required. Durability matches the premium specs. Most models boast IP68/IP69 water resistance and Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. The Pro 5G and Premier promise buttery smooth performance for 6 years thanks to their lag-free guarantee, unprecedented in this price range. Oh, who's this series for? Content creators will love the camera tech, professionals will appreciate the AI tools, and power users will enjoy the long-term performance promise. Each model offers something unique, so choose based on your needs and budget. Want to experience this tech firsthand? Which feature excites you most, the AI capabilities or camera system? Let's discuss in the comments.